Now, keep massaging. I don't know what I'm doing, but I want to blend properly. Blend. I want to blend first before I will put the bronzer. This very manual makeup. This is. It's a reality makeup. Yan, reality.